Hello, friends. Welcome to our Learn Science and Chemistry podcast by chemistrynotesinfo.com. Dear friends, in today's podcast, we are going to learn about scientific instruments and their common uses. Dear science enthusiasts, there is a wide range of scientific instruments and each designed for a specific purpose in various scientific fields. Today we discuss about some scientific instruments and their common uses. And we will not discuss in detail about each instrument. We simply discuss the name of the scientific instrument and its very common use. So it is easy to learn to all. Let's start. Friends, our first scientific instrument is microscope. So its common uses examining small objects or organisms at a microscopic level. Second instrument is telescope, and its common use is observing distant celestial objects like stars, planets, and galaxies. Third scientific instrument is spectrophotometer, and its common use is analyzing the absorption and emission of light by substances commonly used in chemistry and biochemistry. Fourth scientific instrument is centrifuge, and its common use is separating components of a mixture based on their density, often used in biology and chemistry. Fifth scientific instrument is thermometer, and its common use in measuring temperature in various scientific applications. Sixth common instrument is barometer, and its common use is measuring atmospheric pressure, and it's very important in meteorology. Seventh instrument is mass spectrometer, and its common use is in analyzing the mass to charge ratio of charged particles, commonly used in chemistry and biochemistry. Eighth instrument is autoclave, and its common use is in sterilizing equipment and materials in microbiology and medical research. Ninth instrument is Zeiser-Muller counter, and its common use is in detecting ionizing radiations commonly used in nuclear physics and radiology. 10th instrument is chromatograph or gas chromatograph, liquid chromatograph, and its common use is in separating the and analyzing components of a mixture, widely used in chemistry and biochemistry. 11th scientific instrument is oscilloscope, and its common use in displaying and analyzing electronic signals in various fields including physics and engineering. 12th number of scientific instrument is DNA sequencer, and its common use in determining the sequence of nucleotides in DNA, and it's very important in molecular biology and genetics. 13th number instrument is pH meter, and its common use in measuring the acidity or alkalinity of a solution, commonly used in chemistry and biology. 14th number instrument is fume hood, and common use of fume hood is in providing a controlled environment for working with hazardous or volatile substances in laboratories. 15th number instrument is electron microscope, and its common use in examining objects at a very high magnifications using electron beams, providing detailed image of structures. 16th number instrument is NMR spectrometer, and its common use in analyzing the nuclear magnetic properties of atoms, and is also commonly used in chemistry and biochemistry. 17th number instrument is X-ray diffraction equipment, and its common use in determining the atomic and molecular structure of a crystal, widely used in materials science and biology. 18th number instrument is sonicating bath, and its common use in applying ultrasonic waves for tasks such as cleaning, emulsifying, and degassing liquids. 19th number common instrument is infrared spectrometer, and its common use in analyzing the absorption of infrared radiations by substances and used in chemistry and material sciences. 20th number instrument is incubator, and its common use in providing a controlled environment for the cultivation of microorganisms and cell cultures. Dear friends, you can also buy these scientific instruments from our website www.mysciencestore.com. Dear friends, you can also learn more about these scientific instruments and study about these instruments from our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com, whose link is provided in the description of this podcast. Thank you to listening this podcast. I'm your host Jitendra Singh Sandhu. See you soon in next podcast with very informative knowledge and upbring your science skills. Thank you to listening this podcast.